Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new working method to get free Bumble Premium. So this is the paid Bumble subscription they have. It's really stupid, but let me just show you guys because you kind of need it. So as you can see, it's $70 for 1 month, which is ludicrous, but this is obviously like Premium Plus or whatever, VIP, I don't know. But since I'm in the mod, I can turn on developer mode and it will basically trick the app into thinking that I'm a Bumble developer. And then I get Bumble Premium for free, and I'll be able to see everyone who likes me, and I'll be able to put my profile in any location I want. And it's really cool. So as you can see, it says provisioning Premium Plus, applying benefits to your account. All right. And it worked. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. As you can see, insight, fast track, stand out every day, unlimited likes, see who liked you, incognito mode, 2 compliments a week, 10 super swipes a week. I don't even know what half of this stuff does, but I'm down to find out. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is type tweakmod.com. This is the website where we can get the mod. So once you're here, guys, just type Bumble, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification step. So this is the last step. And what you have to do is download 2 different apps. They're all from the App Store and they're completely free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load. It shouldn't take that long, you know. But yeah, it's not really for me, honestly. But now that I found this mod, I'm really excited to get Bumble Premium without paying. So that is a good benefit for me. So as you can see, guys, it is loading up. And it's just going to say like missing files. So I just need to download 2 of these apps. So there's going to be a lot of them. So don't get overwhelmed. You only have to download 2 of them. So like Windows Play, I think I got to buy something on this app. So maybe I wouldn't do that one. But like TikTok just says down run for 30 seconds. Underdog Fantasy, you got to search up Parlay and then find the one by Underdog Sports. So that's pretty easy too. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get Bumble Premium for free.